Today we read 1 Chronicles 3 through 5. My favorite thing about these passages were the prayers that God gives as examples of some of his yeses. We weren't meant to do this alone, y'all. God doesn't always say yes, but we can come to him with anything, needs, desires, frustrations, anything. Would y'all respond in worship with me today as we sing Run to the Father from Cody Carnes? I've carried a burden for too long on my own. I wasn't created to bear it alone. I hear your invitation to let it all go. I see it now, I'm laying it down, and I know that I need you. I run to the Father, I fall into grace. I'm done with the hiding, no reason to wait. My heart needs a surgeon, my soul needs a friend. So I run to the Father again and again and again and again. Oh, oh, oh. You saw my condition, had a plan from the start. Your son for redemption, the price for my heart. And I don't have the context for that kind of love. I don't understand, I can't comprehend. All I know is I need you. I run to the Father, I fall into grace. I'm done with the hiding, no reason to wait. My heart needs a surgeon, my soul needs a friend. So I run to the Father again and again and again and again. Oh, oh, oh. My heart has been in your sights long before my first breath, running into your arms is running to life from death. And I feel this rush deep in my chest. Your mercy is calling out. Just as I am, you pull me in, and I know I need you now. I run to the Father, I fall into grace. I'm done with the hiding, no reason to wait. My heart needs a surgeon, my soul needs a friend. So I run to the Father again and again and again and again. Oh, again and again. Oh, oh, oh. Do you need a surgeon? Do you just need a friend? He's here for it. Keep seeking him. Keep running toward him. Thanks for worshiping with me today. I'm Debbie, and I'll see y'all tomorrow.